The United States has deployed F-35 Lightning II Street Stealth fighter jets to the Middle East amid an ongoing campaign of airstrikes targeting Houthi militants in Yemen. The deployment signals a significant escalation in U.S. military posture in response to the continuing threat posed by the Iran-backed rebel group. The move comes as Houthi forces intensify their missile and drone attacks on commercial shipping lanes in the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden, causing disruption to global trade and posing risks to international maritime security. The Pentagon confirmed the arrival of the fifth-generation aircraft, noting that the F-35 will support efforts to deter aggression and reinforce regional stability. Officials emphasized that the jets will provide advanced capabilities for precision strike and intelligence-gathering missions. The F-35 are expected to operate alongside other U.S. and coalition aircraft as part of Operation Poseidon Archer, an ongoing campaign aimed at neutralizing Houthi missile systems, UAV facilities, and command and control centers. Equipped with stealth technology, electronic warfare systems, and network sensors, the F-35 gives CENTCOM an edge in locating and destroying time-sensitive targets, while minimizing the risk to pilots and assets. Although the exact number and base locations of the deployed jets have not been disclosed, sources indicate they have been stationed at key U.S. military air bases in the Gulf region, allowing for rapid strike capabilities across Yemen and surrounding areas. Defense analysts say the deployment is a tactical shift that reflects Washington's intent to maintain freedom of navigation in vital waterways and send a clear message to Iran and its regional proxies. The Houthis, meanwhile, have continued launching ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and drone swarms toward military vessels and civilian shipping. Some of these have been intercepted by U.S. and allied naval forces, while others have caused minor damage. According to CENTCOM, over 150 strikes have been conducted on Houthi targets since the beginning of the year. These operations aim to dismantle the group's offensive capabilities without escalating into a broader conflict. Despite ongoing strikes, the Houthis maintain a resilient arsenal and appear determined to resist international pressure. Their actions are widely viewed as part of a broader regional struggle for influence between Iran and Western-aligned nations. The F-35's deployment brings a new dimension to U.S. air operations, offering unparalleled capabilities in precision engagement, target identification, and electronic disruption of enemy communications. The jet's advanced sensors allow it to detect threats far beyond visual range and transmit that information to other allied forces, enhancing situational awareness and coordination during joint operations. In previous combat environments, the F-35 has demonstrated its ability to suppress enemy air defenses, conduct rapid strikes, and return undetected capabilities that are expected to be critical in Yemen's complex battlefield. U.S. partners in the region, including Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates, have welcomed the deployment, viewing it as a reaffirmation of Washington's commitment to regional security and deterrence. The decision to send F-35 also serves as a strategic warning to Iran, which is believed to be supplying the Houthis with advanced missile and drone technology. Washington has accused Tehran of destabilizing the region through its proxy forces. Iranian officials have yet to formally respond to the deployment, but state-affiliated media outlets condemned the move as an act of provocation and warned of potential consequences if the situation escalates further. The United States insists that its actions are defensive in nature and aimed at protecting international shipping lanes, which are vital to global commerce and energy supply chains. Internally, the Biden administration has received bipartisan support for its efforts to counter the Houthi threat, with lawmakers expressing concern about the safety of American forces and allies in the region. Human rights organizations, however, have called for transparency and accountability in U.S. operations. warning of the humanitarian toll that prolonged airstrikes could inflict on Yemeni civilians. Yemen has already endured years of conflict, with millions displaced and widespread famine. Any military escalation risks worsening the crisis unless carefully managed with diplomatic engagement. The F-35 are also expected to serve in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) roles, helping build a more accurate picture of Houthi operations, supply routes, and command hubs. By integrating with U.S. Navy ships in the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden, the F-35 will also bolster maritime domain awareness, allowing faster responses to incoming threats or developing attacks. Joint exercises involving the F-35 and allied aircraft have already been conducted in the region, testing their interoperability, coordination under high-tempo combat scenarios, and rapid deployment readiness. The presence of such high-end aircraft also adds pressure on the Houthis to reconsider their ongoing attacks, particularly if their military infrastructure continues to be degraded through precision strikes. Military experts suggest that if Houthi attacks do not subside, the U.S. may further escalate by introducing additional air and naval assets, possibly including strategic bombers or amphibious forces. Alongside military action, the United States continues to support UN-led efforts to bring a lasting peace to Yemen. Though progress remains slow due to deep divisions among warring factions. The F-35 may also act as a deterrent to other state and non-state actors in the region who might consider exploiting the current unrest to launch their own campaigns or provoke wider conflict. U.S. Central Command has emphasized that it remains committed to protecting American personnel and interests in the Middle East, and the F-35 will provide greater agility and resilience in accomplishing that mission. As tensions rise, regional observers are closely watching whether the presence of America's most advanced fighter jet will tip the balance or lead to further military entrenchment. For now, the skies over the Middle East are once again marked by the silent presence of F-35. Representing a formidable show of force and a clear message, U.S. air power is ready to act decisively in defense of stability and security.